In this video, we will compare centrifugal and positive displacement pumps to help you understand their unique operating principles and best applications. Centrifugal pumps operate by using a spinning impeller. This impeller adds rotational kinetic energy to the fluid, which the pump then converts into pressure to move the liquid. Positive displacement, or PD pumps, use mechanical components like gears or diaphragms to trap a specific volume of fluid and actively displace it into the discharge port. A key difference is how they respond to pressure. For a centrifugal pump, the flow rate depends on the system pressure. As that pressure increases, the flow rate decreases. Conversely, PD pumps mechanically force a fixed volume forward. Even as system pressure changes, the constant flow rate of a PD pump remains largely unaffected. When it comes to fluid types, centrifugal pumps require thin, low-viscosity liquids. They are highly efficient for moving water, gasoline, and light oils, but thick fluids can destroy their efficiency. On the other hand, PD pumps excel with thick, highly viscous fluids. They are the ideal choice for moving syrups, heavy oils, sludge, and pastes. Shear sensitivity is another factor. Centrifugal pumps can damage highly shear-sensitive products, whereas PD pumps are designed to protect these types of fluids. Centrifugal pumps deliver a continuous, smooth flow and are generally capable of handling solid particles within the fluid well. PD pumps produce a pulsating flow rather than a continuous one, and they are generally susceptible to damage from hard, abrasive solids that can harm their sensitive internal parts. Considering economics, centrifugal pumps typically cost less to purchase. PD pumps usually represent a higher initial investment, but offer specific advantages like high-pressure capabilities. Maintenance requirements also differ. Centrifugal pumps generally require less maintenance, while PD pumps possess more complex mechanical parts that may need more frequent attention. It is also vital to note that centrifugal pumps cannot run dry. Operating them without fluid causes severe internal friction, which leads to the rapid overheating and failure of seals and bearings. This summary table highlights the main differences between the two, from flow characteristics and ideal fluids to solids handling and general economics. Ultimately, you must match the pump to your system needs. Choose centrifugal pumps for thin fluids and smooth flow, or select positive displacement pumps when you require constant flow with thick or viscous fluids.